This channel does not sell vape products. This channel is purely for educational purposes. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, straight down to the table again. It's been another quick review for another pod kit. This will be from Smok, obviously. This will be the new Smok Novo SE pod kit. Box itself, plain simple, says Smok Novo SE kit. Tells you my one's going to be in orange. Picture the device itself. It tells you about the new pods. This is using the new Novo SLR pods. SLR being spring-loaded refillable pod, which I'll show in a minute. Little picture there about how to fill a pod. I'll show it myself. Around the back, a few little things. We can see what's inside the kit. You can get the main device itself. That main device will be a 1000 mAh battery, a Type-C charge cable, 2 pods. Like I said, these will be the SLR Novo pods. There's going to be 2 pods, like I said, one pre-installed at 0.8 ohm. The second pod will be a 0.6 ohm. This kit is compatible with all of the Novo pods, the Novo 2, the Novo 2X as well. So great backwards compatibility. Also inside the box there, gonna get usual instructions and a little chart here telling you about all of the different pods. Got 2mm and 3mm. My one's with 2mm obviously. All of these pods are compatible with this device. Inside the box, there's a little sleeve like this. Take out all these bits. So yeah, obviously you can get a USB-C charge cable. This one's a nice one. It's a nice flat ribbon cable, this one. I do like that, I must say. Main device itself. And a little baggie there with your second pod. Here we are with the device itself. Like I said, mine's going to be in orange. Nice simple little piece of kit, this one. It does say Smok at the front here. This will be a little LED screen indicator, which I'll show the features in a minute. A little button here for the on and off and to adjust your settings. On the top is a pod. This side here is a little slider there for your airflow. Fully open, fully close, and in between. As always, very basic, very simple, but these sliders always work well, I must say. This side, a USB-C charge point. On the base, usual Dr. Pause in the bin, CE mark, and then UKCA. Tells you the milliamp hours, like I said, 1000 milliamp hour battery. Little sticker there, just shows you how to fill the pods. I won't take it off at the moment. So the same Novo SE here, and the pod. Take out the pod. When you first get the kit, there'll be a little sticker there. Peel that off. And at the base of that thing there will be your 2 magnets, your 2 contact points. Inside the kit itself, again, 2 magnets, 2 contact points. This one will be top fill, snap it to open. A little red membrane there to put your nozzle through and fill it up. A little hole there for the air to escape whilst you're filling. As you can see there, there's a slight spring. If I get some juice, what you do is put your nozzle inside, push down, and that spring will go down as well. Once it's down, you can then sort of fill it up. And when you let go, it springs back up again and closes and make a nice seal. That's a nice little addition, that a little spring there to help it seal properly. When you finish filling it, get your mouthpiece, snap it on, and that's it. If it's a brand new coil and a brand new pod, always leave it a good 5 minutes to saturate the cotton. So yeah, put that to one side once it saturates. So the device itself, going to press that button 5 times to turn it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see right now, my battery life is going to be 90%. You've got 2 ways to know your battery, either by the LED 90 or the 3 green bars below it. That will go down from green to orange to red. This one has wattage control. You press the 5 button or the button twice. Right now I'm at 30 watts. Going to go down to 5 watts. In 5 watts, it's denoted that it's going to be a low wattage by a green bar. 1 click increases the wattage every time by 2. So now we're up to 7 watts, 9 watts, 11 watts. So it gets past that 10 watts, it then goes up to the amber mark. When you get to the 20 watts or above, it goes into the red mark. all the way to 30 and back around to 5. So that little 3 lights there, they are both ways. They're both either for the battery life and also the wattage. If it's one green light, it's going to be under 10. If it's 2 lights, one in amber, it's going to be under 20. If it's 3 lights and the top one's in red, it's going to be 30 watts. So for a small kit, it's quite good. You've got the airflow control, you've got wattage, and also you've got adjustable wattage as well, which is nice. Put that pod there. It's read the pod. It's telling me it's still got 90% power. That button there is not for firing. It's going to be purely auto draw. That's just for 5 clicks on, 5 clicks off, 2 clicks to adjust wattage. Airflow is fully open. Quick vape. Quick vape at a bit more wattage than that. Try 15. Yeah, really nice. You can see there, 1 green, 1 amber. It's gone above 10. Nice little system there. So yeah, that's going to be the new Smok Novo SE up close and personal. Let's go up top, have a quick talk about this one. So yeah guys, there we are. That's going to be a quick up close and personal there with the new Smok Novo SE. This is going to be the same pod, obviously, the 0.8. Airflow is fully open. My wattage is going to be at 15 watts. Quick vape. Really good flavor, really good airflow. I close the airflow down to almost closed. Give that a try. Almost closed. It's a slightly tight mouth to lung, not super tight, but slightly tight. So the airflow works really well with this 0.6. Maybe with the 0.8, it'd be a bit more better for the mouth to lung. But yeah, fully closed almost, or fully open. Nice mouth to lung to a really restricted direct to lung. The actual device itself, I really do like. I like these Novo pods. I like the new spring load feature in this one. Put your nozzle in there. It springs down. When you nozzle out, it springs back up again. That ensures a real good seal every time. I have used them before in the past and I have been enjoying them. So this one, gonna go over a few good points and bad points. Good points, we'll start with the pod itself. The pod, not the device. These pods, like I said, really good features with that spring-loaded mechanism inside it. Holds 2 mils of e-liquid. Really good flavor, I must say. I've always liked the Novo pods, and these ones I do like. Obviously, a good feature will be it's really, really clear, as you can see there. My camera will stop flickering out. Yeah, you can see straight through there. Easy to see a liquid. So yeah, that will be a really, really good feature. You're not struggling to see your juice liquid. It's right there. The device itself, 1000 milliamp hour battery is going to be fine for the day. It does have airflow control. Not fire button, which is a shame actually, maybe in a way. That button there is really just for on and off and for setting your wattage. That will be another good feature. Simple little kit, simple display screen. It shows your battery percentage or battery in 3 bars as well. But also you can adjust the wattage from 5 watts to 30 watts. Just 2 clicks. You can adjust it all the way up. 2 watts at a time. Goes up to 30 and then back around to 5 again. So nice and simple. It's going to be a basic kit. It's got enough features. It's got the airflow, like I said, on and off button, and then just wattage. Any bad points of this one? Not really. I've actually been enjoying this one. This is my second one. I will send 2 from Smok. Use one for a week. I thought this time I'd unbox a brand new one. Still a brand new pod. We'll try it. So yeah, I've been trying my other one for about a week. Been enjoying it. I have, like I said, used another pods in the past. These ones I do like. That's another good feature with the pods. Cross compatibility. You can use either the Novo, Novo 2, Novo 2S. Any Novo pods basically will fit this device, be it either a 2mm pod or a 3mm pod. So yeah, lots of good features. Nothing bad, obviously. Packaging, as always, is really good with Smok. Inside that box there, 2 pods. Really, really, I do appreciate that. I like to see 2 pods in any starter kit. But yeah, Really good kit, guys and girls. This was sent to me from Smok quite a while ago. So thanks to them. Hope that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you already subscribed to me, thank you very much. If you're not subscribed, why not subscribe? Hit the button down below. Hit the button. Hit the bell for notifications for any new videos. And yeah, guys, I will see you all on the next one.